of our program because today is more than just a workshop. It is going to be a celebration of wellness, expression, and connection. Amid our busy lives, we often forget one step at a time.
Of creativity. Now, bago tayo magsimula sa ating art workshop for today, I would like to ask, okay, all of our media friends joining us this afternoon, and some of our very special guests as well, has any one of you ever tried using art, like painting, doodling, or probably other forms and mediums of art, in order to reduce your stress, take away the worries, anyone, or anxiety? Meron ba dito? Has anyone ever tried it? Like releasing their expression through arts? Anybody? Anyone? Huwag na po kayong mahiya. We'd love to hear from you. Have you?
I don't know how to paint, but I do.
For today, let's always give an amazing applause for Mr. Noli Espanola. Nice to see you again. Sir.
Buksan mo natin yung lahat ng sampasan natin para mag-start tayo ng mabilisan. Ito mo na gawin niyo, please. Kaya pagdating sa clock, medyo ko kayo yung kulay blue. Either pwede yung gawin padark, no? Para talagang yung block na niya talagang marami. Side ko na rito.
Ayan o, si Sir Noli kanina, binahagi niya na there are different strokes also to further enhance your art. And some of you actually ang payo ni Sir Noli, take wherever your heart leads you to express yourself. Yan ang nice. You never know, this just might birth a new hobby for you. Right?
To help people look good, do good, and feel great. But over the years, we've come to understand that feeling great means so much more than what we initially thought. It's not just about the right products or heart works event. Where heart health meets
Okay, I'm truly honored to be here at Watson's Heartworks event. So at Ongol, our mission is simple but powerful.
You get the ingredient, nebulizing kit, mouthpiece, masks for adults and kids, carrying bag, thanks to
You're doing well today, and again, thanks to Watsons for inviting us to be a partner for this momentous event, which is
Veterans for your free health check. And just as some clinics, you guys save some time and resources as well. Presented to Noli Espanola in recognition of his participation in Watson's #Heartworks Art Workshop, given this 18th of September 2025. So once again, we'd like to invite everyone to a free health service happening at Watson's MOA 7. So aside from blood pressure monitoring, we got blood glucose check, and a doctor consultation. You can all avail courtesy of our big smiles, everyone!
Afternoon na pala, no? Parang morning tayo nag-start kanina. So, good afternoon, everyone. I just want to reiterate our special thanks to everyone who participated in our very unique and relaxing activity this morning, no? So, of course, to our friends